You won't believe what's hidden beneath the pool of this luxurious Mexican Airbnb. Just outside Puerto Vallarta, this modern design home blends elegance with the unexpected. Clean lines, open spaces, and tropical surroundings, all crafted to invite calm and comfort. Step inside and you're greeted with a chef-style kitchen area with a sophisticated bar and hanging wine glass storage. With 7 spacious bedrooms, each a luxurious sanctuary with its own ensuite and private balcony, every detail is thoughtfully integrated for an exceptional experience. Now, here's the part that really surprises people. Beneath the pool, there's a private wine cellar. That's right. You could be swimming above your entire wine collection. And it doesn't stop there. The home also features a full-size padel tennis court, so whether you're into sipping or swinging, you're covered. Every inch of this property is about living beautifully, quietly luxurious, effortlessly bold. Would you stay here? Or better yet, move in?